Picture ordering a motorized floaty for a lake trip you're already building your weekend around. Then opening the source, own policy page after checkout and discovering the company describes its product as not a certified safety device. That's the situation. Anyone buying from Tide Float should walk into it with their eyes open. The product itself is a battery-powered inflatable float, advertised as holding riders up to 350 pounds and ready to use in around 10 minutes with no license or prior experience required. Positioned as a fun novelty way to get out on a pool or lake. Buried in the site's own terms is a direct statement that the item is a recreational novelty product, not a certified flotation or safety device, and that using it carries inherent risk. Language worth taking seriously given it's meant for open water. The return policy is similarly strict. All sales are listed as final, with no returns or exchanges once an order is placed. And any damage or defect claim reportedly has to be submitted the same business day the item arrives, leaving little room to catch a problem after you've actually had a chance to use it. Shipping is offered worldwide with processing and delivery quoted at 1 to 2 weeks. Contact appears to run through a general email address rather than a dedicated support channel. And I noticed what looks like more than one storefront selling the same product under closely related domain names, a pattern that shows up fairly often with dropship goods. None of this confirms Tide Float is an outright scam. But between the same-day claims window, the final sale terms, and a product that explicitly disclaims being a safety device, the real risk here sits more in what happens after your money's spent than in whether a box shows up. So budget for the possibility that a refund won't be an option, and don't mistake the marketing for a safety guarantee.